Hi, Bob Mellon here, owner of Signature Pools and Spa, and today I'd like to invite you to take a virtual pool tour of an amazing project we completed for one of our customers. I love this particular pool for a few different reasons, and I'll explain what those are as we look at this project a little further. This backyard really gave us the opportunity to bring the wow factor. First, we've got all this amazing custom rock work. It's highlighting a standing jump rock and waterfall feature. This with a beautiful wraparound slide with custom glass tile work. I've had the opportunity to swim in this pool myself, and let me tell you that we absolutely nailed the experience the homeowner was going for when they said, build us a resort-style pool. Check out this vantage going down the waterslide, looking out at the putting green that sits next to the pool area. Just a perfect sunset shot with all those beautiful palm trees. Now going up the stairs to use that water feature, you can see that we paid just as much attention to keeping that whole resort-style vibe going as we did to the pool itself. If this shot doesn't scream completely custom, then I don't know what does. The homeowner said, Bob, build me a backyard that would make me never want to go on vacation again. He's a pool lover and a golf fanatic. So having access to his two favorite amenities was a huge deal for this customer who was really looking to enhance his outdoor living area. And that's what we did in this backyard, custom craft a unique experience going far beyond the pool itself. Sure, we build pools, but what we do best is create amazing experiences. I hope you've enjoyed this pool tour and that it helps give you an idea of the type of work we do here at Signature Pools and Spa. If you're thinking of building your own custom pool and backyard, feel free to contact me for a free design consultation. I'd be happy to provide you with an estimate. Thanks for watching.